So they shot Baby Driver around here?
They did, actually right up the street here.
We met location manager Kalina Bowler just outside of Atlanta. Baby Driver is just one of the many movies and TV shows filmed in the state. You want bigger? Avengers and Watchmen have been fighting for studio space.
So, things doing great?
Yeah.
Industry chugging along?
Yeah.
Then this heartbeat bill comes in.
I mean, it's like a slap in the face.
Really? Why?
Not just for women, but generally, because we want to work anywhere you want to work. You want to make sure that your rights are intact.
We are called to be strong and courageous.
When Governor Brian Kemp signed the bill banning abortions after 6 weeks, Hollywood pushed back. Many major studios and networks said they may leave if the bill becomes law in January.
If your A-listers and your above-the-line crew members don't want to bring their business to Georgia, us below-the-line crew members, we're kind of left in the lurch a bit. A lot of us don't have that easy mobility.
Callie Moore moved to Georgia from Louisiana when the 30% tax breaks supercharged the industry. But the boycott could force her out, so she's channeling her frustrations into the Stay and Fight Georgia campaign, which has already raised $10,000 to support legal challenges against the bill.
Our crew specifically, as soon as we mentioned trying to do something positive and fight back against the abortion ban and the boycott as well, there was like a sense of relief and positivity.
Drive an hour south of Atlanta and you come to the idyllic town of Sonoy.
This is Sonoy, a small Georgian town, better known to fans of The Walking Dead as the background to much of the series. In fact, the population here in Sonoy has doubled since the zombie show got started. But now that the network behind the show, AMC, is saying they will reevaluate activity in the state if the abortion bill goes ahead, well, Sonoy's future could be uncertain.
Y'all enjoying yourself here in Woodbury?
This tour guide, dressed as a Walking Dead character, says they owe the show a lot.
Before The Walking Dead came here, we only had 5 businesses on Main Street. Today, we have over 51 businesses, and we have more growing all the time.
Down the street, jewelry store owner Jan Hipp is worried, but thinks Hollywood should butt out.
Well, of course it wouldn't be a good thing for us. I mean, we could use the business, but on the other hand, why does an industry like that think they can come and tell us what our laws should be in Georgia?
Well, the law doesn't go into effect until January. This Atlanta film industry journalist says the damage is already done.
Even if this bill doesn't come into effect and if the courts block it, I think a lot of producers say Georgia is off the table or just not going to even consider it.
Action! Until then, the TV and film industry is a little like The Walking Dead, trying to survive as the battle between the bill and boycott shuffles forward. Eli Glaster, CBC News, Atlanta, Georgia.